Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. In the last episode we spoke about the Heart Chakra and what happens when it is unbalanced. I told you different physical diseases to mental to spiritual diseases if you have an unbalanced Heart Chakra. On the contrary, if you have a balanced Heart Chakra, your physical body, your nervous system is also happy, your circulatory system is also happy, your respiratory system is also happy, and you in general have a better sense of acceptance of yourself and others. You are able to forgive people more easily, and the key to a happy life is to forgive and forget all the shortcomings of life and to look for the light in life. When all of this happens, you can generally guess that you have an inner sense of peace and harmony and love, and you are more understanding now with yourself. And once you understand yourself better, once you see your good side and your bad side and accept them, understand that you are not supposed to be a divine perfect being but a non-perfect human being, you start building more love for yourself, more confidence for yourself, and eventually more love and confidence for others. And when this happens, when you start resonating with proper energy, you start spreading that energy into the world. That's what happens when you balance your Heart Chakra. When I balanced my Heart Chakra, my life transformed for the better. I let go of all my small fears, all those insignificant nuisances of life, and I started focusing on light. I started focusing on love. I started focusing on peace. So how do you really heal the Heart Chakra? You start with food. 90% of all our remedies, all our solutions to problems in life can come from food. Don't take it in other ways. Don't say, now I will overeat and solve everything. No. What I mean is, a good diet is the key to a good life. So in order to balance your Heart Chakra, you need to have food that is rich in chlorophyll. Food items, fruits, vegetables, whatever it is, that's green in color, resonates with your Heart Chakra. Wearing green clothes and green ornaments also helps a lot when it comes to the Heart Chakra. The key is to resonate good things around you with the chakra. Color is one of the options. Another way to balance and strengthen your Heart Chakra is to meditate. And when you meditate, just imagine the color green. Yes, we've gone through a lot of visualization meditation in the previous videos. This is a new way of visualization meditation. All you need to do is just sit, do nothing. Just visualize the color green flowing throughout your body. The more you do this, the better it is for your Heart Chakra. We've always spoken about crystals, and the crystal for this chakra is jade. As I said, you need to resonate the chakra with its colors. Jade is a crystal of green color. Its crystalline property is such that it absorbs other colors and reflects the color green into the environment. Hence, this is the stone that can come very close in resonating with the heart chakra. We've also spoken about essential oils in the previous video, so I'll just name a few oils that work for the heart chakra. Rosewood oil is a universal oil. It can be used anywhere, anytime, in any of the chakras. Jasmine oil is another essential oil that functions particularly well for the heart chakra. Just a little bit of oil, just a little massage, just a little warmth in your heart, and everything's alright. When it comes to the senses of hearing for this chakra, the sound yum, yum, yum is used widely during chanting. The sound yum resonates at somewhere around 342 hertz inside when you say it, which is the frequency at which the heart chakra resonates. And other sounds to be in contact with in order to heal the heart chakra are airy sounds, sounds of the air, sounds of freedom, sounds of expansion, sounds of stretching perhaps. Any sound that makes you feel you can encompass the whole world within you with your love, kindness and compassion is the sound to hear for heart chakra. The Anahat chakra flowers well. It fruits and flourishes well when you meditate in open environments, in front, under the open sky, breeze flowing through, a windy hill perhaps. Sit there and imagine your heart chakra becoming strong. Imagine yourself becoming more compassionate, more aware towards yourself and others. You are so compassionate towards yourself that you start overflowing with love and compassion. And once it overflows, it can't help but catch other people in its way. So these were certain ways in which you could heal your heart chakra. And in the next chakra, we will probably be speaking about affirmations that can be used for the heart chakra. If you liked the video, do not forget to press the like button. If you like whatever is happening here, do not forget to press the subscribe button. Let's build a community of fresh, novel, enlightened, young and old human beings. Until next time.